What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to customize your Sofi mobile app experience. So let's get straight into the video. For our personalization options, you can have account nicknames, you can have account ordering, transaction categorization. Let's get straight into notification preferences. So you can have push notifications, you can have email notifications, and in-app messages. So you can always follow these steps and just have this done to personalize. Also, when it comes to security and authentication, you could enable two-factor authentication. You could also have biometric authentication. You could also use password reset. Just set that up to reset for easy account recovery. Of course, for the display and layout, you could also change your theme selection. You could also have the font size adjustments and the account dashboard. You could also customize that to display your preferred account information. Additional customization options include an investment tracking, so you can set up the investment tracking to monitor your portfolio performance. You could also have budgeting tools to track your spending and stay within your means, and you could also have financial goals set up, so you can set up financial goals to work towards specific objectives and the likes. So those are pretty much the options for customizing your experience. So I hope you guys liked that video. Hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, because that helps us out so very much. Please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos in the future. Now, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.